We have a question on domestic tourism. So we are going to look at question 8 on this question paper. The question reads, I studied the Twitter extract and answer the questions. So you're given a Twitter extract that we have. We've got a picture that we have there whereby we have got a slogan that is written, it's your country, enjoy it. And then, of course, we can go through the Twitter and we go beneath that. That's where we put our question. Question 8.1.1 reads, identify the South African domestic tourism marketing campaign. So if we go to the extract that we are given, you'll see that the name is given here as it is written short left. So short left is our response. Then we go to the next question. So on the next question, it reads, identify the current slogan used for the South African domestic tourism marketing campaign. And of course, the slogan is stated here, whereby it reads, it's your country, enjoy it. So that's where we have the slogan. So as such, we have it is stated in our answer section. It's your country, enjoy it. And then we move on to the next question. Which is now on the next page, whereby it reads, a great number of South Africans still do not travel domestically. Motivate the above statement by providing three reasons why they do not travel domestically. So basically, the reason that we have is that the first one is there's no reason to take a trip. That's why they are not traveling, and no time to travel, maybe due to work and due to other schedules. And also disliking travel. Unemployment also can cause that. Not having the money to travel due to being unemployed, and the lack of travel culture, especially amongst previously disadvantaged communities, limited tourism product development, and concerns over safety and security can also be a reason, especially when the destination has got high crime activity. So that's what we have. So on the next part of our question, identify the domestic tourism market segment targeted in the domestic tourism marketing campaign on Twitter. So, which one is the domestic tourism market segment that is being targeted by this tweet? You'd see that uh, the domestic market segment that is targeted is the New Horizon families. The New Horizon families as indicated. So we have the New Horizon families. And then on the next question, it reads, give one reason why the travel deal will attract the interest of the identified market segment. So it will attract as special offers on hotel will encourage this segment to travel, and also quality time for the family to spend together and the reward for hard work. Uh, Travel is a way to spend quality family time and broaden the family's horizons. We've got further points that we also have that are also correct within the context of the question that we have. And of course, the question, if we check the question, our question requires only one reason. So we can just state one. Then on C, discuss two strategic objectives of the domestic tourism growth strategy that will be achieved from the travel team on Twitter. So you see that the two strategic objectives that you can include is increase domestic tourism expenditure, increase domestic tourism volume, enhance measures and efforts aimed at addressing seasonality and the equitable geographical spread. So uh, these are the points that you can include in terms of strategic objectives of the domestic tourism growth strategy. Then we move on to 8.2, start the map of the SADC member countries and answer the questions. So this is the map that we have. So we can try to see. This is the map that we have. Then, of course, we have got letters representing the countries that we are having there. The first question is name the country A and B. So we can just notice that we have got our A at this point. We have got our B at this point. So A basically is Zambia. We have Zambia at this point, and then B is Malawi. So B is indicated by Malawi, as we see here. So it's Malawi, and this is uh, our Zambia. So basically, that's what we have. So we are saying on that part, we've got Zambia and Malawi. Then, in terms of the next question that we have, name the capital cities of the countries labeled C and D. So we try to see what countries do we have on C and D. So C, you'll see that this is, we can see that this is Seychelles, and this is Seychelles. And the capital seat of Seychelles is Barbane. Barbade is the capital city of Seychelles. Then we check in terms of D. So D, we can see that this is Eswatini, which is previously known as Swaziland, and the capital seat of Eswatini is Mbabane. So those are the responses that we have, as we are saying. Uh, we have Mbabane as the capital seat of Eswatini, and then for Seychelles, we've got Victoria. So capital seat of Seychelles is Victoria. So basically, that's what we have on that part. We go to the next question. A growth in regional tourism will benefit the economies of SADC member countries, motivate the statement above. Obviously, a growth in the regional tourism is going to accommodate more workers. The industry is going to obviously expand. So due to the expansion, it's going to accommodate more workers. So you're going to see unemployment going down. And also, you're going to see an increase in income. An increase in income in the domestic country is going to be also experienced. Yeah, so those are some of the points that we can increase. You can include. So we are saying an increase in the volume of tourists will generate income for SADC member countries through tourist spending. So income, generation of income, for example, accommodation, attractions, shopping, and transportation. So those are the sources of income and due to the volume of tourists. So you've got accommodation, attractions, shopping, transportation. And then on the second point, the tourism is labor intensive and a large number of people will be employed. So to reduce unemployment and the multiplier effect will be put in motion, which will lead to economic growth. And there will be a demand for new and improved tourism infrastructure development, e.g., airports and communication networks. So we've got also other points that can also include. So basically, this is what we have on 8.2.3, and this is the end of our question. So thank you for listening, and hopefully the video was helpful. Let's meet again in the next video.